How to enable or disable vibration and app icon badges for calendar notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on the calendar app. Next, tap on the menu button, and from the pop-out, tap on the settings icon. Now in calendar settings, we scroll down and then tap on alert type. Next, tap on short sound. In here, go down and tap on vibrate to turn on or switch off vibration for calendar alerts. And if you scroll all the way down, you can also turn on or turn off app icon badges for calendar notifications. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.